Hi, today is 29 March 2022. I'm on the River of Life in Kuala Lumpur, where Sungai Gombak on the left meets Sungai Klang on the right. But what I want to show you are the thousands of plastic bottles that are flowing past this river just after a 1-hour rain. Where do all these plastic bottles end up at? Please watch my other video that I will put up when I went to Pulau Rimau, a remote island, and we collected hundreds of bottles. That means there must be at least a few million bottles floating around the Sea of Penang Island. But just look at here, how many bottles are flowing down. So please help to refuse the use of plastic bottles. Don't ever use them. Don't buy, don't support this polluting industry. Now look, how many more thousands of bottles flowing down. Let's petition for the government to impose a plastic tax. Just like the days when we had glass bottles for F&N. You'll never find a single bottle lying on the road. But now look at all this plastic pollution. It's just so disgusting. Do we really need all these bottles? Are we going to kill the planet? Just see. And this video is only 2 minutes. I'm sure there are a few thousand bottles have flown under this bridge. So please do something, refuse and reduce the use of plastic bottles. For example, I just saw a laundry detergent bottle flowing through. When you buy laundry detergent, please buy in powder form, in plastic bags. So thanks for watching, bye.